Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are going to explore the topic of the family in French, an essential aspect of everyone's life. Let's learn the names of different family members and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's start with the parents. Les parents. Les parents. Le père is the father. Le père. And la mère is the mother, la mère. Now let's talk about the children, les enfants, les enfants. Le fils is the son, le fils, le fils. And la fille is the daughter, la fille, la fille. Les enfants de mes parents. Les enfants de mes parents. Children from the same parents are brothers and sisters. Frère et sœur, siblings. Frère et sœur. Le frère is the brother and la sœur is the sister. Le frère, la sœur. Now let's move on to the grandparents, les grands-parents, les grands-parents. Le grand-père is the grandfather, le grand-père. La grand-mère is the grandmother, la grand-mère. Les petits enfants. Les petits enfants means the grandchildren. The grandchildren are the children of children. Le petit fils. Le petit fils is the grandson. And la petite fille. La petite fille is the granddaughter. Le relative. Relatives in the same family are extended family members. L'oncle. L'oncle is the uncle. La tante. Tante is the aunt. Les cousins. Les cousins means the cousins. Cousins are the children of our uncles and aunts. Le cousin is the male cousin. Le cousin. La cousine is the female cousin. La cousine. Lastly, let's talk about the in-laws. La belle famille. La belle famille. Parents-in-law means les beaux-parents. Les beaux-parents. Father-in-law means beau-père. Beau-père. Mother-in-law means belle-mère. Belle-mère. Son-in-law means beau-fils. Beau-fils. Daughter-in-law means belle-fille. Belle-fille. Brother-in-law means beau-frère. Beau-frère. Lastly, sister-in-law means belle-sœur. Belle-sœur. That's all about today's topic. I hope this video has helped you learn about family members in French. Now it's time for practice. I encourage you to solve this worksheet and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. And I will get back to you if there is any correction. That's all about today's presentation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Thanks for watching. À la prochaine. See you in the next video.